Hello guys, this is your mommy and auntie on the go. Welcome to my G on Life. Isa sa mga paborito kong balik-balikan talaga itong LU at samahan niyo ako guys sa aking short but sweet stay dito sa San Juan, La Union. First stop, kain tayo dito sa Sabong Fried Chicken. Syempre, hindi mawawala ang LU trip mo pag hindi ka nag-food trip dito. Okay naman ang kanilang chicken, very well seasoned. And okay din ang kanilang servings based dun sa kanilang pricing. Pwede kang mamili sa red corner or blue corner nila. I believe yung blue corner nila is boneless chicken and then yung red corner nila is with bones. And since kailangan namin ng pampa-energy after namin sumibog sa Sabong Chicken, nag-try naman kami dito sa isang maliit na cafe or coffee shop dito sa may malapit sa Tavern by the Sea. Ang name niya is Timpla. So, very aesthetic. Parang ang nostalgic ng aesthetic ng coffee shop niya. Kaya tinaray din namin. And syempre, tambay-tambay muna tayo dito sa beachfront before mag-check-in. And very nice nung weather ng time na yun. Of course, after magmuni-muni, go to the beach naman tayo, change outfit para ma-freshen up. And hindi naman kami nagpunta sa San Juan, La Union Beach muna. Kami nag-try dito sa medyo trending na beach front, dito sa may Acapulco Beach. Yan, bandang San Fernando na ito. Ito yung sinasabi ng hubby ko na go-to place nila nung nakatira po siya dito sa LU na for family. So, ang vibes dito is more on residential and family vibes. Alam ko meron din mga free dive dito pero hindi na muna namin yung tinaray. So, nag-chill muna kami dito saglit at nagpa-cool down. So, before mag-sunset, bumalik na rin kami sa San Juan, of course, to prepare para sa aming night out. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang night out sa LU. Alam mo yan. Whatever happened last night, it just stays right there. Talagang hindi mawawala ang LU trip mo pag hindi ka nag-flotsam. But for now, let's enjoy the place of the secluded area dito sa may San Juan. So we found this beach club called Taal Beach Club, wherein you just have to buy food. It's a restaurant, you just have to buy food, and then doon ka kumain, you will have access to their pool and to their beach front. And very relaxing yung place, secluded, wala masyadong tao. And ito yung food na aming dinaray and in order. Their food is fine and serving is also generous. Siguro hindi lang ako masyadong fan talaga ng Italian pasta. Since I've ordered bolognese, I was expecting like more of a sweet Filipino side. But if it's Italian, then it is a good Italian pasta. Their kiddie meal is also generous. Pwede mo na rin orderin yan as an adult meal. Then, after we enjoyed everything, we jump into a fairly new spot here in San Juan. Inside the village siya. So, kailangan mong i-tricycle or i-drive or i-motor kasi hindi naman siya walking distance dun sa beach. It's Pokeball. And first time kong mag-try talaga nitong Pokeball and talagang na-amaze ako. Super fresh ng lasa ng seafood, salmon, and tuna na in-order namin. Ito talaga yung masasabi kong marirecommend ko pag talagang nagpunta kayo dito sa LU. Up until now, nagre-record ako ng video na nagkikrave ako, pinapanood ko pa lang siya. So, ito ang must-try pag nagpunta kayo talaga dito sa LU. So, we ordered parang sriracha na salmon and then soy sauce na tuna. And both are really, really, really fresh. And, oh my gosh, look at that. Alam niyo ba guys, itong isang bowl na yung salmon bowl na yan. One bowl, pwede na kayo maghating dalawa sa dami ng serving na yan. Well, if gutom kayo, kaya-kaya nyo ubusin yung isang bowl. But for us, since nakapag-brunch na kami, at gusto lang talaga namin i-try ng Pokeball na to. At alam kong ito, talagang babalik-balikan ko. Oh my gosh, tinan nyo naman with the sauce and everything. Plus, the aesthetic of the place is so good. So, this place is called Nanumu Pokeball or Poke Club. Meron siyang katabi na cafe na hindi na namin napuntahan, pero I think it's an interesting cafe. It has lots of like game activities, and dun sa katabing side din naman niya is parang speakeasy bar naman, na small place lang siya, but I think it's also a very aesthetic and a good place to go to. And syempre nandun na rin kami sa vicinity or malapit sa isang cafe. We visited this fairly new na rin na cafe here in La Union, San Juan. It's the Lewis House. This is an old ancestral house of a former politician here in San Juan. And based sa kwento, since binenta nila ito and may bumili, tinurn out nila into a cafe. They also have accommodation, so you can check their page, the Lewis House. And their rooms are for couples or families. They also have swimming pool on the side, and nakita nyo naman yung aesthetic niya. Para talagang old Filipino house vibes, no? So, ang sabi nila dito, yun nga, ni-renovate nila, but then ni-retain nila yung mga original na aesthetic or yung architecture niya. So, ang sarap ng feeling lang pag dito ka nagstay, para ka talaga nagstay sa old house. And of course, nighttime it is. Before we head off to Manila, balik ulit tayo sa nightlife dito sa Flotsam. Well, we also tried a Fat Wave, pero saglit lang kami doon. Dito kami medyo nagstay. And syempre, kinabukasan, all goods na, nagutom din kami sa morning. So, bago kami umuwi, napadaan kami dito sa bilihan ng tubig. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang pasalubong na tubig pag uuwi ka galing La Union. Pero, dun sa bilihan ng tubig, merong small karinderya. So, dito muna kami nagstay habang inaantay namin maluto ang fresh na tubig. Kaya, ayan, kakain ako ng balot. Namiss ko kaya kumain ng balot. Mga kadalawang balot ako dyan. Siyempre, limited lang tayo. Kahit gusto ko pang umulit ng balot. Siyempre, mataas yun sa cholesterol. So, ingat-ingat tayo sa health natin. Shoutout kina Kuya and Ate sa nagbibenta ng masarap na tubig. Bumili kayo sa kanila. Thank you for watching, guys. Till my next video. Bye!